and welcome back to WonderWild. Today we're going to be WonderWild Creators and we're going to make a nature picture using mud and natural materials. But we're also going to be WonderWild detectives and talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. I wonder if you can help me later. Now, for this, go around your garden. Now, do you know what? There's so many beautiful colours at this time of the year. So I've chosen a range of things because I really like the colours for my picture. Have a look and see. You'd be amazed what you can find in spring. I've also got some topsoil, and I'm going to use the soil, I'm going to make it into a mud mixture and use it as a background because it's always good to have a dark background with the colours on the top. So, get your topsoil. Yeah. Put your water in. I'm going to put quite a lot in. There we go. Whoops! Mix it up into a nice paste. Now, it's not sticky mud this, it's slightly different. So, okay, there we go. Keep going, keep mixing it up. And then you can pour it onto the background. Wow, look at this. I'm using a stick today because actually in a minute I'm going to start sticking things, and I need my hands to be quite clean so they can pick up little things. Right, so there we go. Your background could be, I don't know, square, round, not sure really. There we go, there's a good start. Now first, I think it's really important that we have the sunshine because it's just such a beautiful day. So I've chosen these flowers for my sunshine, and actually the mud is helping them stick as well. There's the sunshine. Now, the life cycle of a caterpillar. What starts first? There's a little egg on a leaf, isn't there? Yeah. And then a tiny caterpillar comes out and he eats all those leaves around him, munch, munch, until he's full. Yes! I'm going to make a caterpillar. Now I'm going to use these beautiful leaves that I've got from the red Fatina bush that I sometimes use. I've got it in my garden. I'm going to start with his head. I've chosen a flower for his head. There we go. Actually, I'm going to put him up here because we need some room for the butterfly at the end. And I'm going to start with some big leaves. I might put the flower actually on the first leaf. There we go. And here's the caterpillar. Take the bits off the end. Start with the big ones. He does look a little bit like the hungry caterpillar in the story. Do you know that story? I love that story. So keep going with your leaves and you can gradually get a little bit smaller. I'm going to do him curving around. He's starting to crawl away. Well, he's trying to, but he's really full up. There we go. Right, there he is. Oh, I've forgotten. He needs some antennae, doesn't he? Yeah, put his antennae there. Stick them up. There we go. Oh, there's the hungry caterpillar. Wow. Now, what does he do? Do you remember what he does? He gets so big, and then he starts spinning his cocoon. A cocoon is what he's spinning for his home. Now, I was thinking about that. What could I use? Well, do you know what? I think I'm just going to put lots of leaves together to show his cocoon. There we go. Just put them all together. There we are. There's his cocoon. What does he come out as? He will be a butterfly and fly away. Yes. Yay! Right, so can I fit this butterfly in my... There's the middle of the butterfly. Now I chose these leaves again. These sycamore leaves. There he is. Take the ends off. There we go. Don't forget his antennae. There. He will be a butterfly and fly away. There's my nature picture to do with the caterpillar life cycle. Ooh, turns into a butterfly. Yes, brilliant. Thanks, WonderWilders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.